Hello mga kalabada! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Rogelio Tapang here with Laundrypreneur. Alam nyo, when we started our laundry business journey noong 2015, so mag 10 years na po next year, no? So 10 years in the business almost, ay hirap na hirap po kami na humanap ng information about how to set up your laundry shop, no? Ano ba yung mga kailangan namin consider in getting into this business, and it was really very difficult. That was 10 years ago. Now, admittedly, ngayon po marami na rin po mga sources of information na pwede kayo mapagkuhanan para po mapag-aralan ang inyong intention to get into the laundry business. At ang isa po sa mga pinaka inaabangan din na programa na nagbibigay po ng information and knowledge sa ating mga prospective kalabada ay ang aking pong programa na tinawag kong May Pera sa Labada. Yan, regularly po kinakandak po natin yung programa na yan in cooperation with ELS Philippines. Doon po sa live seminar version, kasama po sila doon, presenting it to you for the right laundry business information na kailangan nyo so you can make an intelligent decision to get into this business. Yan po ang purpose ng May Pera sa Labada, to teach you how to set up a profitable and professional laundry shop business that offers more than just wash, dry, and fold. Kasi po ngayon, ang laundry business hindi na po limited sa simpleng wash, dry, fold services. In the program, I'm going to share with you the 8 big reasons to get into this business and the 12 reasons to offer na mga services na pwede nyong i-offer sa inyong shop when you set up your own shop. So again, I invite you to come and join me this Friday, October 18, 2024. Buong maghapon po yan. From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. we will be discussing the laundry business in the Philippines. Okay? Whole day po siya. Ang venue po, ELS Philippines Conference Room, mezzanine floor, Goldland Tower, number 10 Eisenhower Street, San Juan, Green Hills. So, Green Hills, San Juan. Magkita-kita po tayo dyan. At kung kayo po ay magre-register, 500 pesos lang po, kasama na ang lunch and snacks, plus certificate of participation. So, lahat po yan, makukuha nyo. Free materials, ask all the questions you want. Lahat po yan makukuha nyo sa ating programa, May Pera sa Labada. See you soon.